how to add another account or how to add multiple accounts on WhatsApp in iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can add two different accounts on WhatsApp and iPhone. Well, on the Android devices, WhatsApp allows you to add two different accounts and switch in between. Now it is the built-in feature. Unfortunately, that hasn't been yet. The feature hasn't yet been released for iOS users. Now what you can do is you can log into one of your account on WhatsApp Messenger, right? Now to use two different accounts, what you can do is you can download WhatsApp Business. So you can search in for WhatsApp Business and you can download WhatsApp Business and you can use another account on WhatsApp Business. So you can simply create a business account, create it as a business account, your other number that you wish to log in, but you can use it for personal use, right? So this is how you can use two different accounts on WhatsApp on iPhone. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.